Vlogmas was a total bust. What's going on, guys? It is Monday. Christmas is just around the corner. I believe it is the 17th, and things are looking pretty hectic right now. We are getting all the Christmas orders out, just focusing on the brand right now, and we are just super busy, just trying to figure out a consistent schedule, film for you guys. And I personally want to apologize that Vlogmas was a total bust. I tried filming every single day. There was times that there was a video every single day. Now, with that being said, the content was kind of just pulled back. The editing was just kind of blotched. It was more rushed. But I think that's what Vlogmas is all about. We learned consistency. We've learned a lot on how to film. We've learned what you guys like. We gauged it, and it was a great way to figure out our whole analytics system in order to make our video unique and also entertaining. Finding out that vlogging every single day, and sometimes there's really not much going on, it's kind of tough. So you guys might be wondering, like, what's next for the channel, and what are we gonna do like after Christmas, and what's the next step? We're going to have a new style when it comes to the brand. We're going to be filming more content. We're gonna rip apart the 240, make it nice again, make it show ready. And then we're also linking up with a couple of really cool people that you guys will definitely like. We wanna grow organically with you guys to really know who we are as a brand, as friends. So things are really hectic right now, and all we wanna do is focus on you guys, and I apologize for not being able to do that.
What's up, guys? It's Clyde here, and I'm here at the FLIPZCO headquarters. I went here to meet up Justin, but nobody's here. He told me he's at USPS right now, or UPS, I don't know, to pick up something. I'm actually waiting for him right now. I think he's here.
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know.
Yeah, so what do we have here?
So we're not gonna do any unboxing because I already unboxed it. I was so pumped that.
Why did you do it?
Because, dude, this is the first wheel in the East Coast. I'm out of breath because I'm so excited. It's a KANSEI, like bonsai. So KANSEI wheel. Chris Sempek hooked me up with the SEMA display wheel. This is the actual wheel that's going into production right now, so definitely get it. I think the first week of January is when it's going to be available.
So it's not out in the market?
It's not out right now. It's like the first one on the East Coast besides the Juku Racing.
Now let's see what it is.
So yeah, we're gonna open this up real quick. Oh, my hat, bro.
It came with merch.
I'm just happy for the hat. What else we got? We got some merch. We got some shirts.
Oh,
damn, that's a dope.
Is that an S15?
It's a 14, bro.
Oh, S14?
S14 Kooky with the original KMP.
Dope.
And then we got the banger. Oh, look at these.
Oh, stickers.
You want a sticker, Clyde?
Black.
Here.
Thank you. Wait, you already have it on your car.
Oh, dude, it's on the car already.
Yeah.
Did you slap that on?
Damn.
Bro, instant slab stickers, legit. So yeah, let me show you the wheel. So this is the first 18 by 10.5 wheel that they have. This is the Formlight. This is actually the one piece that I believe is gonna be under, it'll be a wheel under 300 bucks, which is really cool for us drifters. It's super cool. It's like the first step lift, and it's fully built to actually work for drifters. It's meant to be beaten up. The main issue with a drift car is the Z32 calipers are usually crap. There's really no wheels that have like the custom offset in order to fit this thing right on the front of the big brake kits. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slap this thing on because Chris said that it's supposed to be Z32 clearance, no matter what. No spacer, no nothing.
It's big brake friendly.
Yeah, it's big brake friendly.
Duh.
And it is baller friendly. One. Unfortunately, I only have one, but you will see this for 2019. It's the first partnership that we're doing. I'm super stoked that this is an old time friend of mine. I met him like maybe 6-7 years ago at H2O. And he's making moves. I've always wanted this wheel, man. It was actually on this S14, on the Fortune.
The same wheel?
Yeah, it's the same exact wheel. This is the Fortune Auto S14 Kooky. It's like well known. It usually has a Fortune Auto banner and whatnot. It's something that I've always wanted. It's a wheel that you'll never see on the market because Chris was so good with the design.
Yeah.
He finally came out with KANSEI wheels, and I'm super stoked to run this wheel. Yo, this thing is sick.
Look at that.
Oh my God, look at this puppy. It's a bad boy right here, bro. Look at that step.
Yeah, and it has like a black barrel.
Yo, I love the valve stem.
Why?
Because it's black.
Oh, it comes with a valve stem already.
Yeah, like, dude, like, just look at the lift.
It's a step lift.
It's a freaking step lift, bro. Yeah, like Chris did an awesome design on this specific wheel. They've got like 5 other styles that are coming out, and then they also got the Forge line, which is like the 2-piece wheels. So Clyde, you can probably get on that.
2-piece
on the
wheel?
350Z. You've been a baller. So right now we are gonna test this offset. We're gonna try and see what works for us. And then I'm gonna hit up Chris, and then we're gonna say, look, it fits, or we need a 9.5, or whatever the case may be. But we're gonna jack this thing up, get it on the freaking, the jack real quick, and then, oh shit! So we're gonna try these on the front first, because I really wanna see if they're gonna clear the Z32s. For the meat, I borrowed Cody's wheel. This is our Z32 caliper on the 300ZX that we rounded down.
Dude. Yo, it clears it.
Oh, that shit clears like a lot.
Yeah, like an inch at most.
Oh my god. Look at this.
What do you think?
I like it.
So obviously it clears the Z32 brakes like flawlessly, which is really dope. I think I'm gonna have to run like a 9, maybe a 9.5 up front if we run this exact wheel. Just for the fact that, you know, if we ever go WiseFab or we just keep the PPM, I don't wanna hit it in the inner walls or anything like that, or hitting the coilover or anything like that. We're gonna try, test with the 10.5 on the rear. These are 18 by 10 0 offset, and these are 18 by 10.5 plus 12. So it should fit exactly where it needs to be. But these rear overs are gonna go, and we're just gonna revamp the whole car. Oh, we got PUZZO here too.
Yeah, what's up?
What's up, man?
Man.
So if you guys have a diesel truck or like a super freaking awesome tow rig, follow my man's. He's got by far the coolest diesel function trucks in the East Coast, baby!
You already have one sold ticket.
Yo, I went to the gym with PUZZO yesterday. So this push and pull, man. We need to.
It's killing me a little bit.
This auto jack needs to be like, you know, because after the gym days, no way. Yo, quality inspected.
So Clyde.
And these things are light as hell. Oh, daddy. Call the doctor, because I'm sick.
Hey, shut up!
Hey! Hey!
What's up, Clyde? You're a videographer now?
Yeah.
That's pretty sick. In pink. That's exactly how that happens, too.
I think we could zero this bitch on a 10.5.
What are we figuring out? What size are these wheels?
10.5.
My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell, oh well. It's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around.
All right, guys. Special thanks to Clyde. He came early, obviously. He held down the shop while I was away. These wheels look absolutely amazing. Like, I cannot thank the guys over at KANSEI Wheels. I am super pumped to see what they are going to do with their Form Light wheels. They are super light. They're super durable. From what I could see, it looks like it's going to be perfect for what we're trying to go for next year. They are bringing the Japanese style back to drifting with a cheaper price in the USDM way. Basing it off of that, the three things I've learned: number one, durability for drifting. You could hit anything, hit pothole, hit each other. It is clearing everything that I have put to it. The Z32 clears, even though we shaved down the caliper itself or the Nissan shows, it clears it by at least an inch or two, so which is super cool. The 10.5 is really, really wide. Like, it's a super wide wheel. Comes a little close to where I need probably like a 9 or a 9.5 up front, just to have some motion. If we even want to, we could probably run a 17 up. But for where I am right now, I want to be sitting lit, and I want to have just it tuck and tire the whole time, maybe zero it out. We're gonna have to worry about getting new overs. We're just gonna revamp this whole car to something new. There's really nothing else that I can put towards it. We are going to obviously get all the fitment correct on this car itself. We're going more stancy, we're going more style, we're going more Japanese drifting classic in a way, and that's kind of what I want to go for. We are still up in the air of what we're going to do with the S15 front, if we're going to run and slap the S13 front back on and maybe run like a D-Max hood. So, but yeah, anyway, I just wanted to update you guys, show you guys the new wheels, and yeah, we are going to be rocking KANSEI and partnering up with them for their 2019. Like, you got to represent the homies that have always supported you from way back in the day. So shout out to Sempec. Dude, these wheels are insane, and I can't wait to see what you guys do in the near future. Good luck with you guys, and thank you so much for giving us the opportunity, and we look forward to, you know, spreading awareness in the drift community and the stance community. Right, Clyde?
Yeah.
Clyde's gonna be sending that stance community. We'll catch you guys on the next one.
Peace out.
Like, share, subscribe.
Hit the notification bell.
Hit that nut bell.
Hit a nut bell.
Grab a nut.
These nuts.
Yeah. All right, this time I promise we out. I'll see you tomorrow.